Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can change download location for your Steam games. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click on Steam and go here to settings. And what we're looking for is downloads. And you're gonna see here the Steam library folders, right? Let's click on it. And you're gonna see like, okay, we got the two folders here. You have only like D here. And I will just remove it. You can also like remove the library folder and create a new one. Because if you're gonna add a library folder and you want to add on your D, so like here, it's going to give you that you can't do it only because you already have in D. You need to add a library folder and then just go to C, create like, I don't know, program files here, select. So DC, okay, no, like, oh, new folder. New folder, that's what we want. And then yes, select, and here we got it. Now click OK. Now go to like library, and let's say that I want to have like game here, properties, and you can just like move install folder to C because it's on D right now. And then if you're gonna like install something or anything, you can install it right now on C. So this is how you do it, and this is how you can change the folder. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some feedback and yada yada. You know how it works. So yeah. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day and goodbye.